Emmanuel Levina talks about how we usually understand the world through consciousness, which is about being aware of things. But he argues that true human experience comes from our responsibility to others, a connection called proximity. He introduces substitution, where we are responsible for others even before we make a choice. This responsibility is not something we pick, it's an obligation we are born with, make us accountable for others' actions or suffering. Levinas sees this responsibility as a central to our identity and how we interact with the world. For Levinas, substitution means that we take on the responsibility for others without choosing it. It is not just about feeling sorry for someone, but an inherent responsibility. This makes us irreplaceable in the lives of others because we are once called to care for them. It goes beyond our personal needs and shows that responsibility is part of who we are, not something we do on our terms. Levinas describes anarchy as a state where we are possibly affected by others, breaking free from the usual rules and system. It's not about disorder, but about being deeply influenced by others without controlling how we react. This goes beyond we normally think as a freedom, showing that true responsibility to others can disrupt our usual way of thinking. Levinas says that our responsibility for others is unlimited. It doesn't have a clear start or end. It's a responsibility that comes before our own freedom and choices. This responsibility does not depend on what we want to do. It is an obligation we feel towards others. It shows that caring for others is about being ready to support them even when we didn't choose to. As a teacher, I see my responsibility to my students as more than just helping them pass tests. I feel a deep duty to support them emotionally and academically, guiding them through struggles and being there for their personal growth. I take responsibility for my students' learning even when they don't always take responsibility themselves. I lead by example, showing up on time, being prepared, and staying engaged so they learn the importance of accountability. In my classroom, I embrace the idea of anarchy by being flexible and responsive to each student's needs. I don't just stick rigidly to the syllabus, but adapt to ensure that each student feels supported, creating a space when they can freely express themselves. Thank you.